all the necessary payments to confirm the venue, you know, because yeah, so I got the venue. I don't know if it's because I'm Cindy or kyonna kikiri naye bo bakkiriza bwe twaba kubira essimu basooka ne batugamba nti bali kunovating so bagenda tuddira then ne batuddira ne bagamba it's okay that day you can get the venue. Yes. Musuubire show ya kabi okitegeera. It's been 3 years since I last had a concert. Nze saagala kukola concert just lwa luyimba, njagala gikola nga nina story, nina kyembanyumiza, nina journey gyembanyumiza. So it's been 3 years of me preparing for this moment, and you know every time every performance bwange obutini I always bring 150%, but this time I'm coming for 40,000 people, so the performance egenda kuba yakabi. Kyalibadde kyakabi nnyo. Right now sobola kuconfirminga ani agenda okubeerako n'atajja kubeerako, but I'm going to approach all women because it's our day, you know. Njagala bonna balabike, naddala abasobola okuyimba live njagala balabike, naye bonna n'abatasobola I still want them to represent for the ladies. Yes.
Oyagala kakasa bakyala bano since it will be a women's day nti bwatya abanywedde mu olwendo
njagala kakasa abakazi nti omukazi asobola. Okitegeera kye ngamba. I want to inspire women. I want to inspire a child omuwala ng'akuza ajja alaba nti no Cindy yava Embaale nga teri amumanyi Kampala n'azimba ekintu kye mpaka watuuse kati. So that means anybody from anywhere can make it. So I want to inspire the girl child, from a child up to omukazi omukulu who is trying, who is struggling. Njagala kuba inspiring anti n'omukazi asobola okikola. Yes, for me it's more about inspiring people than into improving myself. I'm the king herself. I no longer have to prove that. Abantu bakimanyi performance zange bazira career yange hits bazirabye zonna. I am still the king herself. Whether I'm at Lugogo Cricket Oval or somewhere in Waise, it doesn't matter. But I want women to be inspired by the show and love the show and get yekenyina afune abere inspired afune amanyi ng'omuntu to be someone. Yes.
Anseninga gwe Omuyimbi 2019 olese copycat ozukusiza abaali basirika kugwe badde etya
copycat. I mean 2019 yasooka ne Sunset.
Yeah.
Sunset was a good song. It was not a massive hit, but it was a good song. Then Makatia, of course, netufuna the interview that I had Somo's at TNS ne Sheebah to send me fire. So Evampereza Fire had to retaliate clearly because I have to defend my title as the king herself. So Nenzeza Fire with the copycat. Echanyamba nti said I didn't need to add another song, you know. So yeah, yongerako whatever nichibao, you know, and it was amazing. At that time we would have done a battle Kyalibadde kyakabinyo for the industry, for us and generally for the country. They would have loved it. Twalibadde tukuba share akabine, you know, bone batia. But still it's okay. Mwaka gwako ne releasing a bomb party. Sheebah nalaga love towards the song. Nabulira n'abantu that the song is going to be a hit. So Rima ne lukwatayo omwaka ne tugugala. So it ended in actually a big note, in a very good note. I was shocked. When namulaba moyo church, in fact I was driving nenga alindako parking and I just looked like I was really shocked chinachikoze, but nali musanyufu kyandaga nti no yenga ye naye ayagala kiri kigwewo tutandike chapter mpya. So I was happy that she did that. Never funny but sanyukira nyo. Nzenganze I want my team is going to approach her team. If it can happen, if it can happen. But sobola basubiza. Yes.
I said kugwe ne TNS ani asizinga fire ya battle.
Ani asizinga I think bwe bagana battle. That was ceasefire for me. It was like, okay, we don't want to do this anymore any further than we've already done it. So to chite one. So that means they ceased fire.
I sent it today concert. Echivulu. Tonafuna ba promoter omuli Balam, Keti, omuli Abitex. Abayimbi abasinga we yetegekera Echivulu. Ye amaliza against Bamanerenders ku show ku lunaku lwa show we yesooka omulyango amaliza sente tezivuddeyo bulungi okukakana ng'asse properties z'omuyimbi tetukisuubire ku lwe luno
kati olwala ne concert yange yasemba gye nakola Imperial Royal nenkola ne La Grande zombi siina manerenda siina promoter zombi nazeekolera ku sente zange and at the end of the day tewali muntu yali amanja so it's the same thing with Lugogo Cricket Oval okitegeera promoter bwajja kijja kuba kyakabi nnyo sponsor bwajja kijja kuba kyakabi bwe batajja kiri yansobola I can do this okitegeera tewali muntu agenda okuva ku esho nga manja n'ekikumi ku zange so either way kirina okuggwa yes
tusuubire okutwanjulirako ku musajja
kirowoozaako maybe it's time because we've been dating for more than 2 years now so maybe it's time to show the people the man you know ekisajja kyange so mujje ku concert
nange ng'okyogera ng'oli musanyufu
no I love him I'm in love you know and I think that's nja kuba ndi radio mubanjulira because before my last relationship namwanjulira abantu when it was too early ngaffe tetuneetegeera so this time I've taken my time you know FMB we are ready for the moment and I think at the show I'll be able to show you
Cindy oluvannyuma lwa shows abayimbi wekitakola bulungi amaliriza byagamba downfall kino tekiveeko ku downfall
na olaba naluli bwe nakola show yange ya Imperial teyakola kiri awo mbuba abantu bangi bajja naye tekirina tekyankosa I still remain the talented Cindy I still remain the one that wrote all that music I remain the tekirina kikige but if my show flops it doesn't change the fact that I wrote Boom Party I wrote you know the all my hits from Mayocha to Selector all these awards I've won tekirina kikigenda kunzijako nobody is going to say kati Cindy awards ezo nalina muzimugyeko because the show flopped it doesn't change anything it will just mean that we did the show and it didn't work out but it won't mean that I'm a less artist or I'm less talented no all that will still stay shows zange eza bulijjo njazifuna ebivuno njabbi kubanga bulijjo life will go on yes
said waliwo wano fani amuyita Mato Ashraf abuuzizza n'agamba why should lwaki Eddie Kenzo akutaddeko concert ate naawe olinayo
I understand. I mean, nze ninga ye nange nebuuza ekintu kyekimu because as an artist bw'owulira nti artist omulala alanze show before you no matter what happens it's better for you to do what to change the date you know omuntu n'omuwa their space to do their thing naddala because nze ndwawo nnyo okukola concert finally I get to do a concert so it would be nice if Eddie Kenzo you know bw'ataneesimba it would be really nice but siina buyinza obwo namaanyi bumugamba nti bambi Kenzo date yange giveeko I don't have it so if it's serious because right now it seems like a rumor because tanaba kukiconfirminga officially if he really wants to do it I'm not changing my date no matter what happens so we'll see what happens yes but if he withdraws and it's just a rumor you know I'll still be grateful that he let me have my concert in peace without any adversity tiyanyigira tekyalituusaawo Rema nange it's a woman thing I'm happy for her as a woman that she's happy okitegeera okulaba mukazi munno nti nafumbiddwa omusajja gwayagala bambi ate Rema bw'omutunuulira you just as a woman you see you feel it that she is happy you know kati nze ekyo kyenasanyukira nze si nti nasanyuka nti wamma kalyonsoolese Kenzo no that's none of my business ekyo kyabwe babiri me I'm just happy that Rema is happy so I'm happy for her you know ebirala byonna it's theirs to sort out not mine yes
so kati kucha artists abagenda performing concert
yes
outside countries
right now I'm in the process of talking to artists bonna abagenda confirminga bengenda you know nja kujja mbabuulira who and who are going to come but right now njagala kikulembeza nti nze sindi byebo ngenda performingako olunaku kitegeera abamperekera bagenda kubeerawo because nga bwe muze nina so many friends in the industry naddala aba artists benze nkola nabo abo bo for sure everybody was in a collaboration with me okitegeera you expect them to be there everybody else I'm still talking to them and I'll let you know yes
tulabye abayimbi badde oluva mu concerts ezaabwe main concerts bazimba amayumba basyndicate nabo basuubire nti ojja balaga ennyumba yo.
Yes, bwe tujjuza cricket over teri kiŋŋaana nja kuba nange ndi musiru busiru teri kiŋŋaana to finally unveil my own house nange balekerawo okunvuma nishigere na finally unveil my own mansion njala zimba ennyumba nga enzigyamu nze nga Cindy, something my fans will be proud of, you know, because nabo ba feeling so insulted when, you know, bavavayo ne bagamba naffe tulina ennyumba gwolina kaki. So it would be awesome. Sure, we call her that. I will not have any other excuse. Yes, that will definitely happen. Then is I want to start a record label. And I don't want to do that in a small way. I need money to do that. I need resources to do that. So if I get the right resources, I will build my own house. Yes. And now start a record label and sign actual talents, not girls with big bums or a beautiful face, but people with just talents. That's what I want. Yes. Bambi mukaleke kasome kazoga kasome, you know. I don't Sagala, she loves music, loves dancing. Na postingako video, she's such a good dancer. Ayagala new music, but Sagala right now to introduce it because nze simanyi kukola bintu halfway. If I do something, judge kolera dala up to 100%. So, you know, I like that she loves music, but kana kali mupifo banange. I don't want to divert. Shega Saga choose her concentration to something else right now. No.
Many people were happy and they posted
yes. Before nga sinalanga natya. Nasoka netya ne timu yange netya nagamba Serena tell available. Gundi Africana teri available. The only places available zali Freedom City ne Gundi ne Lugogo Cricket Oval. And then of course endala ezo ezaliwo. But when azitunamu zonna nendaba, you know what, let's do Lugogo Cricket Oval. But I had to take 24 hours of just convincing myself and praying, you know, and all of that and asking God, can I do this? But after those 24 hours, I nefuna amanyi munda munze in my spirit. I felt like I can do this. And I called Ebu and I told him, go and deposit on this date. It's like, are you sure? Are you sure? I'm like, go now. So it was available. We deposited on that date in the Tuanika, like, you know what, whatever happens, we're doing this. Omwami wawan. Omwami gwenina at the moment, wawan. He lives here, he's a Ugandan man, so he's here. Sichazunga. Sichazunga is a black man, is Ugandan. Yes, so I had my phase, you know, after the father of my child. Nategera auntie, I don't want to do white men anymore because Nategera auntie, we are just different. No matter how you love each other, we're different. Our cultures are different. How we feel about God and life in general is different. Then in Zengo Mutwali we compromising, which with him I had to compromise. And with time, as I grew up, I realized chino chosi chisobola chiganye. Ngeze zako, nae this I can't do. Kokusala auntie, white people, I love you, but from over there. You know, I'll get a man who understands me. Ebintu we don't have to debate over because we know it by culture, by how we were raised up. So, echo nenchivako. Yeah.
Tujja mu 2021 okulonda bululu kuddeeri kuba kati bw'olina abavubuka bafaanizibo bw'olina eri abavubuka ne bafaanizibo 2021.
Okay, politics affects everyone. The thing about Ugandans, tulowooza nti no kiri kyabali, you know, and then us we can live our own lives without politics. Without you knowing, politics affects all of us. Even right now, politics is affecting us because it decides the rules of where we are sitting, how we communicate, what we tell the media. Muchimanyi, politics rules us every single day. So politics chitukakatako fefena, no matter what. So the youth is that vote. so that at the end of the day you don't sit back and say batubye. You know what I mean? Nga kyokka tewa-voting, because a lot of people do that. Atula nagamba batubye nga ye teya-voting, nga saagenda naye nze nalaba bulabi, you know. So vote so that at the end of the day osobola kugamba, you know, I was part of that. Kale kyaganye buganye, but I did what? I voted. So all of you go and get your IDs right, go and get your voting cards right, so that in 2021 it's up to you. You decide who your leader is going to be. Bwebubaka bwange.
Lydia anabuuziza the project 2020 boba fani a concert but musically.
Definitely there is music coming our way, definitely. I even wanted to release music before the concert. Now I didn't want to take the focus away from Boom Party, because Boom Party it has gone platinum, and I want it to take center stage until after the concert. That's when I'll be able to release, I'll be ready to release more content. So this year I have a lot of music by me, and I'm also working with writers. I don't work with writers, but guno mwaka I've seen so much good music in other writers that I'm working with other writers. I have international collaborations coming through, but we will not be after the concert. Yes. Sikati tickets zigenda kubeera 20,000 for a normal ticket, for an ordinary ticket, 50,000 VIP, and $1 million shillings for a table of 6. So those are the prices at the moment. Right now we're not ready, but as soon as we know, you know, on Galaxy, everybody mwenna abazinyi mujja kitegeera ticket ne waje mugendo zisanga. I'll make sure that you know. Yes, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you kuwagira Galaxy bana inadala Galaxy bana okuteka highlight on Ugandan artists. Thank you mungeri yonna ne bwe mutuvuma oba mutuwana muli tuogerako kitegeera, and that is a good thing. Mwebale nnyo okufayo nti artist ali kukiwa na assembly wana wangudde byonna. Thank you so much for highlighting Ugandan artists. Mwaba tufudde okuba nti mutuwa courage leero okuba nti ngamba nti njakuba, you know, I want to do cricket over because you've lifted us. So thank you Galaxy, and abazinyi mwenna, all fans. If you listen to my music, Ugandan music, in the car, on the border, on the stage, wonna woli mu kidula n'ogende wa DJ mga azannya oluyimba gwe njagala okwebaza leero. Thank you so much.